Hey guys, sit down, stay. Now I'm gonna show you kung paano sila i-train na huwag nilang galawin yung mga food na nakikita nila sa sahig or pag nilalakad nila sila sa mga kalsada para hindi nila galawin, okay? Let's check Rusty first. Rusty, here. See, iniiwasan niya yung food kasi marunong na siya. Oh. Oh. Di ba? Ayan yung food. Lalapit ko kay Rusty, iwasan niya yan. Oh. Di ba? So marunong na siya. Ititrain ngayon natin itong si Maxi. Rusty, sit down there. Sit down. Sit down. Maxi? Don't touch this. Don't touch it. See, I'm gonna place it here. Don't touch it, Maxi. Look, Maxi. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Okay? You good boy. Don't touch it. Look at the food. Here. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Look at me, Maxi. Maxi? Don't touch it. Okay, go. Good boy.